have a Chevy Tahoe. This is the most common issue on all these GM vehicles. The lens gets separated. We got a new lens, new light, I should say. So this glue comes apart. No more clear lens. So we're going to replace that. Okay, there are two ways to do it. The right way and the fast way. The right way, obviously, the bolt goes down this way. Those are 10 mil. You gotta loosen that up, remove it, replace with a new one. That's one way. The other way, easier way, leave that alone. On the side of the light, the original one has a plastic clip. Because this one, as you can see, it's a Phillips screws. Remove two screws, loosen this adjustment, that's the height adjustment. Take that out, put new one on, same way, old one comes out, you'll finish in minutes. Right, so we are taking those two screws out on the side. Okay. Okay, so now let them go. Careful. Careful. Okay, separate that lens. That's it. So this is the only thing we're going to put back in, along with this adjustment, because the original one is missing. Alright, so we are taking the side clips out. The factory one does not have a screw, rather they have a pin, plastic pin. Just remove the pin. Pull out that pin, and light comes right out. Use the panel button, man. I will help. Alright, so we got the screw back in the same way. You're just going to have to align that height of it once the light is all plugged in. Just unplug this. Right. Plug that back in. That's it. Another way to do it, if you want to remove the bolt, you have to remove those two 10 mils from the top. Very tight, but you can use one of those, let me show you. Tools like this. Tight, but it comes out.
Deve trovare se penno di arriva. Deve trovare se penno di arriva. Questa